In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize an ICT Killzone indicator on your chart. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. If you use session-based analysis and want a clearer visual guide for important trading hours, this setup can be very helpful. An ICT Killzone indicator highlights key market sessions directly on your charts, making it easier to spot when the Asian, London, and New York trading windows begin and end. To get started, look at the top menu bar of your charting platform and click on Indicators. This opens the indicator library where you can browse built-in tools as well as community-created scripts. If you don't see what you need right away, don't worry. The search feature makes this process much faster. In the search field, type ICT Killzone. As you type, you'll usually see a list of matching indicators appear below. Since there are often several versions available, take a moment to look for a popular community indicator. A common example would be something like ICT Killzones by TDA or LuxAlgo. Choosing a widely used version can be helpful because these are often clearer, better maintained, and more familiar to other traders. Once you find the indicator you want, click on its name to add it to your chart layout. After you do that, the session boxes or highlighted areas should appear directly on the chart. This gives you an instant visual breakdown of the major trading sessions, which can make timing and chart reading much easier. Next, if you want to personalize the appearance, find the indicator on your chart and click its gear icon. This opens the settings panel where you can customize how the session highlights look. You can change the colors used for the Asian session, the London session, and the New York session. Try choosing colors that are easy to distinguish from one another and that still let you clearly see price action underneath. That's especially important if you use candlestick patterns, market structure, or liquidity levels in your analysis. When adjusting colors, aim for visibility without making the chart feel too crowded. Softer highlight shades often work better than very strong ones, especially if you're going to keep the indicator on all day. After that, your ICT Killzone indicator is ready to use. With the sessions clearly marked, your chart becomes easier to read and more organized, which can help you focus on the times of day that matter most to your strategy.